You know what they say? They say 13's a lucky number. So today, we have the OnePlus 12. Get it? 1 plus 12 is 13. This is the OnePlus 12. Let's unbox it. What's up, internet? I'm Brian MacDuff, aka BMac, and welcome to another video. So today, yes indeed, we do have in my hands the OnePlus 12. I have been super excited to give this smartphone a shot and review it, if not for any other reason besides the camera system. We do have a OnePlus and Hasselblad collaboration here, so anytime you have Hasselblad on any kind of camera system, chances are it's going to be a good one. Super excited to try that out, but you know how this goes. New smartphone in the box. Gotta unbox it. So we shall do that right now. Quick look at the box, you can see the very noticeable red branding here from OnePlus on the OnePlus 12, with of course the slightly embossed glossy 12 right there for the smartphone. OnePlus 12 on the left side, OnePlus 12 on the right side. Nothing on bottom, nothing on top. And of course your serial number, IMEI information, all that good stuff on the back. But I know you don't care about that. You care about what's in this bad boy. So let's just see what's going on inside the box, shall we? Okay. First thing we have to do is cut some seals here that are on the box, which once again, I don't know where my unboxing knife is. Gotta find it. I did not find my unboxing knife, but I did happen to find a push pin on the floor, just lying there. That's always great. Just, you know, ready there to be stepped on. That's good. So I guess we'll attempt to use this. 1, 2. Now we should be good to go. The reveal of the OnePlus 12. Here we go. We have a little packet of information here with an ever so slight never settle embossed lettering right there. But if we were to actually remove, okay, not a full reveal yet. We still do have some cellophane / paper covering the smartphone itself. In this little box here, we're gonna have some packets of information, I'm assuming. Okay, so all that comes in that part of the box. And in this part of the box, we could see, just like I thought, we have some quick guides, safety guides, some stickers here, always love some good stickers, a membership card, and then last but not least, your SIM card ejection tool. So that is included, and that's all that comes in that part. You will also see on the top here, do not forget this, if we remove this, this is a little USB-A to USB-C adapter, so nice to have that included here. Like I always say, these are great to have on hand. I seem to lose them left and right. And that is it for that part of the box. We do see the OnePlus 12 itself. I'm going to carefully remove this. Okay, we're not gonna take a look at it yet. I wanna see if there's anything else in this box. It definitely feels like there is, so let's empty it. You will see you do have included your hefty power adapter, somewhat of a rarity, and this is a 100 watt big boy power adapter. It's a rarity to have power adapters included with smartphones these days. Even more of a rarity to have a 100 watt power adapter, so pretty awesome to see that here. And then also you will see the OnePlus red cable itself. If we remove this, here it is. And this is going to be about a 3-foot red USB-A to USB-C cable that you're going to use to charge up your OnePlus 12. Nice build quality to this. Let's take a closer look at the star of the show, the OnePlus 12. Take it into our hands right here. The unveiling of the OnePlus 12. The OnePlus 12 in our hands. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. It looks beastly. Let's remove this little sticker here with some IMEI information. Now you could really see all that this baby is flourishing. First impressions, it's kind of feeling like a Pixel 7 Pro with the curved edges. Obviously not the camera system. This thing is just like, my goodness, it's the first thing you see. That is absolutely no joke. Cannot wait to put that to the test. You have this matte back right here with the OnePlus logo. You have some curved sides, a flat bottom, and a flat top. And then on the left side, you do have your switch as well. But of course, we gotta turn this baby on. Boom, OnePlus, powered by Android. But per usual, I'm not gonna walk you through the whole setup. That could be kind of boring. So I'm gonna snap my fingers. It's all gonna be done for you. The OnePlus 12 is set up. The OnePlus 12 being turned on and used for the first time with the Oxygen OS. Things feel pretty responsive, feel pretty good. They sound good, they look good, they feel good. A lot to test with this smartphone. The first of which, obviously for me, has to be this bad boy right here. I mean, just look at that. Look at it. Those camera lenses, man. So obviously I could hardly wait. I'm gonna go outside and immediately start snapping photos with the OnePlus 12. But do not forget to smash that subscribe button to be in the know for when the full review video of the OnePlus 12 drops on this channel. And per usual, for the latest deals, prices, promos, and information for the OnePlus 12, you can of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/OnePlus12, or of course, as always, there's gonna be clickable links in the video description box and in the comment section below as well. So check those out. I gotta go outside immediately, start snapping photos. Start snapping photos outside. I will see you guys in my next video.